What's up guys, Keysy back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing some Supreme from week 5, I think it's week 5, I'm not sure, I can't remember, I'll go back and check. But yeah, let's get right into this unboxing. It's not really a big unboxing, it's just something that I picked up, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. So yeah, let's get straight into it because I gotta go to work soon. Gotta get this weird knife. And then we have this package right here. So yeah, let's get right into it. Yeah, I can't remember what I ordered. I think some of this is to resell, some of it is to keep for myself, but it's not anything big, so let's get right into it. Straight packaging. But alright, so the first thing that we have here is the Chapman Supreme toolbox right here. So yeah, let's get right. I thought this accessory was pretty dope, so I just decided to pick it up. And yeah, I think it's a screwdriver set, if I'm not wrong. But yeah. But yeah, you got all the bits right there, with all the heads and everything, and the screw itself right there with Supreme right there, and then made in the US on the back. I thought it was pretty cool. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'll probably either end up, if it doesn't go for anything, I'll just end up keeping it and having it in my collection because I love collecting Supreme accessories, and I just think they're always pretty dope to have for the long run. Put it in! Put it in! SpongeBob. Put it in the bag!
Alright! Put the money in the bag! Put it in!
So yeah, that's item number 1. Then we have the stickers that I'll go over at the end. Alright, so right here we have the Bible tee in a large, in this baby blue, like not baby blue, but blue color right here. You have the Bible right there. It says Supreme, these old raggedy hands. But yeah, it's a large, so it's not gonna fit me. But yeah, I thought this was a really dope t-shirt that they had released this season. And I wish I would have got it in my size because I would definitely kept it for the personal. But since it is a large, I'm not gonna keep it because I end up selling it. But I think this one is for my personal. Actually, right here, this is for my personal. This like pink tee right here. I actually thought this shirt was a lot better online. But I mean, I love the graphic right here. It kind of reminds me of when the Power Rangers were in the ninja outfits that one time in the movies. But yeah, it's in this pink colorway. It's really weird because it's like pink and then it has this gray, which I do not really like. But it just says, "We are back to F you up" right there with the ninja in white. But yeah, I was only able to get it in pink. I wasn't able to get it in any other color. I wish I would have got a different color because this pink is not doing it for me right now. But we'll just see how it is, and it is a large, so let's see if I'm able to keep it or just gonna have to sell it. Then we have these Supreme stickers right here. Have the pillow sticker right there. Then you have this, let me just open it because I'm gonna keep these either way. I love collecting the Supreme stickers. So you have the Supreme pillows right there. They did also release a tee of that, but I wasn't able to get it. Then you have the Supreme All-American cheese right there. And then we just have the classic box logo sticker. So yeah, that unboxing wasn't anything crazy. It was just something small that I was able to get from week 5, I think. But yeah, if you did enjoy the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe like I said in the beginning of the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Move. Since it is